enjoying your stay with us.
The coolest costumes on this ride. It doesn't go back at all. They kind of cut it off there. I mean, there was we didn't come in a single family home. Like, we looked at some townhomes and stuff, something was like Volts, you know. There was always something that was attached to something else. Nice bit. Occupies so much space. Such a luxury city. We get that right now. So some squirrels get combined. Because what was that?
And to your left-hand side, fill in all that available space. Welcome in to your left-hand side, please. Left-hand side. Welcome in to your left-hand side, please. Left-hand side.
I went to the temple the other day.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story on the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard, because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Enjoy your stay.
He just pulled up right there. I was like, there's the shirt. So when I was a kid, what do you want me to do? There you go.
cycles, it goes back up. Right. The debate of the water. One.
Row 5.
Okay.
And to take you to your rooms. When it arrives, I will call you in one row at a time, beginning with row 6 and ending with row 1. If I see you trying to move with another group that you have not been assigned, I will laugh. Your seatbelt buckles from left to right and left to right only. If I see you trying to buckle from right to left, you can guess, I will laugh. Please make sure there is nothing buckled in between you and your seatbelt. If you do have any larger luggage like backpacks and purses, you can take those off now. You'll store them at your feet once you are inside. However, I do ask that you hold on tightly to anything or anyone that you don't want to lose to the Twilight Zone.
To our valued guests, for your safety once on board, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, por su seguridad, una vez a bordo, por favor, permanezcan sentados y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del elevador en todo momento. Y por favor, vigile a sus niños.
Row 6 is on the top left row. Row 5, the top right. Row 4, the middle left.
All right. All right, left to right.
Right, I almost did right to left.
Yeah, or to left, Victor. Okay, let's go.
Hotel guests, there is a yellow tab located on the right side of your seatbelt. My back row, excellent. Over here, those yellow tabs.
Yeah, we know the drill.
Excellent. My front row, those yellow tabs. And over here, those yellow tabs. On your right side, can I see those yellow tabs? Down there on your right side. Hotel guests, we are going to get some practice in for later. Can I see everyone's hands in the air? I gave a look. Keep up that energy for the glam ball So you really should have taken the stairs.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone.
Let's just hold that.
One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's over. are about to discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror. A warm welcome back to those of you who made it, and a friendly word of warning. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel in the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator door. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please do come back and see us again. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, 6, 7. Oop. Yeah, there was one YouTube video, two kids didn't strap in, were floating up to the ceiling. Good.